Hey guys, Michael with Quiet Lawn here. I just purchased some power rotary scissors from iDeck. I've seen several people on YouTube using these with the Ego rear motor models. So I'm going to add one of these onto one of our Ego tools, and my main goal is to see if this will help us with edging and soft edging around landscape beds, because right now soft edging, where you turn the trimmer up vertically to cut around landscaping beds, is one of the hardest skills to learn, and it's one of the longest in the learning curve. So I think as long as this thing works well, that would make that learning curve much shorter. So I'm going to install this, and then I'm going to try it with some edging and around some beds, and see how it does, see if it's a little easier. All right guys, so I have everything installed here. It literally took about 10 minutes to install on the Ego here. I watched a YouTube video from a guy named John Ware, W-A-R-E, and it's a really good video, and like I said, literally maybe 10 minutes to install on the Ego. Everything's working. It's pretty loud. Let me see here. Fairly loud, probably louder, a little bit louder than the string trimmer revving up at full RPMs. I'm waiting to test it out, but obviously the weather is not cooperating right now, but easy to install. Next step is to check it out.